Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Buick LaCrosse leather group, stock number X1030A. Only 21,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Quicksilver Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's in a large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Nice sized trunk. Removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 21,000 miles. The driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect media devices, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, air and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this LaCrosse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.